Have you ever felt bloated, heavy, or tired after a meal, even when you thought you ate something light? What if I told you that your liver might be silently overloaded, and the answer could be as simple as sipping the right herbal tea every day? Stay with me, because in this video I'm going to share 7 powerful herbal teas that secretly repair your liver and supercharge your digestion. And tea number 5 on this list might surprise you, because you probably already have it in your kitchen, but chances are you've been using it the wrong way. Your liver is like the engine that keeps your body clean. Everything you eat, every sip you take, even most medicines, your liver has to process them. But today's lifestyle, full of oily meals, processed food, stress, and late nights, puts enormous strain on this engine. When your liver struggles, digestion slows down. You may notice acidity, gas, bloating, constipation, or simply fatigue. Ignore these signs, and the problems grow silently inside. But here's the good news. Nature gives us gentle, safe, and effective herbal teas that support the liver, calm the stomach, and restore energy naturally. One of the most effective is dandelion root tea. It may sound simple, but this tea is a gentle cleanser. It helps flush toxins, stimulates bile flow, and relieves that heavy, sluggish feeling after meals. Many people notice less bloating and easier digestion when they add it to their morning routine. But there's one caution. If you're on medications like water tablets or blood thinners, check with your doctor first, because dandelion can sometimes interfere. Another everyday powerhouse is ginger tea. Most people know ginger helps with nausea, but in tea form, it's also one of the best digestive tonics. It reduces bloating, speeds up stomach emptying, and protects the liver against daily stress. A warm cup after lunch can keep you from feeling heavy and sleepy in the afternoon. The bonus is that it strengthens your immunity too, making it perfect for daily use. But digestion isn't only about speed. Sometimes you need calmness. That's where peppermint tea comes in. It relaxes the muscles of your digestive tract, helps trapped gas escape, and soothes cramps. Many people find that a cup after dinner gives them a light, refreshing night's rest. However, if you have acid reflux, peppermint can sometimes relax the wrong muscle and make heartburn worse. So if you already struggle with reflux, pay attention to how your body responds before making it a daily habit. Now let's talk about one of the most famous spices in the world, turmeric. You may add it to curries, but did you know turmeric tea is like a golden shield for your liver? The active compound curcumin reduces inflammation, protects liver cells, and helps digest fats better. The only catch? Your body doesn't absorb much curcumin without help. So always add a pinch of black pepper or a drop of healthy oil like coconut oil to your turmeric tea. That tiny addition makes a big difference. The 5th tea is something sweet and familiar. Cinnamon tea. Yes, that same cinnamon stick in your kitchen has hidden healing power. It supports your metabolism, balances blood sugar, and reduces fat buildup in the liver. It also adds a gentle sweetness without sugar, which helps digestion stay smooth. But here's the mistake most people make. They use the common cassia cinnamon, which contains coumarin, a compound that can harm the liver if overused. The safer option is Ceylon cinnamon, sometimes called true cinnamon. 1 cup per day with Ceylon cinnamon is perfectly safe and healing. If you often feel that stress is the reason behind your stomach issues, then lemon balm tea is your friend. Stress directly slows digestion and puts pressure on your liver. Lemon balm tea has a calming effect on both mind and body. It helps reduce acidity, relaxes digestion, and even supports better sleep. A cup before bed can be especially helpful if you tend to eat late dinners or wake up restless. And finally, there is milk thistle tea. This herb has been studied for decades, and its main compound, silymarin, actually helps repair liver cells. Imagine your liver working hard, day and night. Milk thistle gives it both protection and strength. It's especially useful if you've been on medications for a long time, or if you've had a history of liver strain. Just 1 cup in the evening is enough, but here too, if you're on regular medication, check with your doctor first to be safe. So those are 7 herbal teas that work quietly, day by day, to restore your liver and improve digestion. Dandelion, ginger, peppermint, turmeric with black pepper, Ceylon cinnamon, lemon balm, and milk thistle. Each one has a unique way of healing. You don't have to drink them all. Just start with one or two that you enjoy, make it part of your daily routine, and let the benefits build over time. Remember, real health doesn't come from big, dramatic changes. It comes from small, consistent steps, like replacing one ordinary beverage with a healing cup of tea. Over weeks and months, your body will thank you with more energy, smoother digestion, and a liver that runs like a clean, well-oiled engine. Now, I want to know from you, which of these teas are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Healthy Living Tips, and share it with someone who could use a gentle nudge toward better health. And don't go away. The next video you should watch is 5 Hidden Dangers of Green Tea Nobody Told You. It's right here waiting for you. Click, watch, and take another step toward a healthier you.